In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos to your Facebook page. So first, what you want to do, you want to make sure that you're not on your personal profile and you're on your Facebook page. So to do that, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. And then from here, you need to go to the arrow in the top right, and that will load up all of the different Facebook pages you own. I'm going to click on Knowledge Base and we'll upload a video together to Knowledge Base. Now from here, you want to then go to what's on your mind, and then you can go ahead and select an audience, click done. And if you swipe up this tab here, you can then choose a photo or video. So I'm going to choose photo/video, and I'm going to choose this one from my camera roll, click done. And it's going to ask you if you want to create a reel, but we just want to create a post instead. Now once we've done that, we can then add a title. I'm just going to put hello, and you can add a description. And then go ahead and click next, and you can choose who you want to see your post. Click done and go ahead and post that video, and that video will then be posted to your Facebook page. So just wait a second. It can take a minute depending on how long your video is and the quality, but if you go back to your Facebook page, it should then show that video in a second. So here it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete the video, but that's how you can go ahead and upload a video on your Facebook page.